everyone, welcome to my channel Meghna Manjrekar Hauls and Reviews. As I promised you all that I'll be coming with a lot of new launches, reviews as well as swatches and everything. So here I am with one of the latest launch from Bella Veste. It is their exotic mini lipsticks. Now you all must be wondering, Meghna has applied something very funky. Why is it so? Then yes, definitely this shade range, that is the Bella Veste exotic mini lipstick, is pertaining to that particular what do you say, motto or that particular thing only. The shades in which the shades in this particular range, it's like exotic. They are little bit hatke from normal, like reds, browns and everything we see a lot of in our regular day-to-day life. But in this exotic range, they have come up with black, green, blue, orange, grey. This kind of shades they have come up with. Now we always say ki, come on Meghna, we cannot apply this kind of shades. Then let me clear you. Sometimes with some Halloween makeup, with some particular makeup, you do require such kind of exotic shades. And yes, that is why Bella Veste has launched this kind of shades. And guess what? The MRP of this lipstick is 149 rupees and you are going to get 1.2 grams in this. I'll show you the packaging and everything. I have got all 6 shades for you. After this, like, I'll be giving you the timestamp in the description box. If you are here only for the swatches and all, definitely move towards that particular, jump on to that timestamp. You can watch this swatches and your purpose is solved. But if you want to see the full review, then definitely stay tuned. I'll be just giving you all the detailed information. The packaging is this. It is exactly like same as their mini lipsticks, same packaging, only the difference is the shade name. The shade name, the sticker what they have given you over here, it's different. In their normal, they have like M01. Okay, in the normal mini lipstick range, but in exotic they have M61. So 61, 62, 63, 64, 65 and 66. I have all 6 shades with me. Okay, they say over here Bella Veste the perfect pout sheer cream lipstick, sheer cream lust lipstick. The net content, as I told you, is 1.2 grams. The MRP of each lipstick is 149 rupees. The manufacturing is February 21 and you can use this lipstick for January till January 24. So that is altogether 3 years you can use this. The manufacturing, where manufactured and everything, this is made in India product. So each and every details are given on the packaging. Now when we talk about the inside lipstick, it looks similar to their mini lipstick. There is no difference, only the label what they have given you over here. In the normal lipstick they have M01 and over here they have see on the mini lipstick they have M01. Okay, where else in this you can say M61. M stands for mini, right? And over here same Bella Veste normal, the pout, the perfect pout, no details. That is manufacturing expiry is not given over here. So if you all you want to throw away this packaging, you have to make a tag over here. You have to mention the manufacturing expiry, then you can throw away. But if you are a person like me who keeps the packaging also, then you don't have any problem. If you have more than one shade, then no problem, because they have given you the sticker. Of course, from the they are not color coded. So like me, if you have 6 shades, you just have to see the stickers. But then that is okay. You are not going to apply all 6 shades together at one time. So definitely whenever you are doing makeup, you are going to remove everything in one tray or something and then you will apply. So it is easy. The number is given over here. From the number you can, if you remember, you can make out. The net content what you are going to get is this much. Okay, this is the net content. Right now the shade which I am having on my lip is shade number M62. I'll show you. I think yeah, it is M62. Now you will say, okay, Meghna, if at all we don't use this kind of shades, then what to do? Then as you all know, definitely you all must be aware, you can use this kind of shades as your eyeshadow as well. So if you are a person who wants to buy some funky colors but are afraid of spending more money, because this kind of colors, very few companies makes this kind of color, and Bella Veste has taken a step and they have come up with such kind of fun colors. So, and that too in budget. So definitely I will suggest you, if at all you are a person who wants to like make some experiment, who wants to who prefer experimenting in their shades, lipstick shades and all, definitely you can buy 1 or 2 shades from this range. Now what we'll do is we'll just move ahead. I have swatched all 6 shades with makeup and without makeup. On your left it will be without makeup, on your right it will be with makeup, as well as after the swatches I have also attached the hand swatches and each and every lipstick in the hand swatch is swatched once. So that is, you can make out what is the pigmentation of the liquid of the lipstick. So now we'll just move towards the swatches. Now you all have already seen the swatches as well as the hand swatch. Now you will say, कि Meghna, what is your final thought? Of course, my final thought is like, if at all you don't prefer all 6 shades, fine, no problem, you can buy 1 or 2 shades. But if at all you want to buy all 6 shades, like I can tell you this silver color, if at all you go and see it's this kind of like eyeshadow, there are few companies who make this kind of eyeshadow. So this is a cream eyeshadow as well as in 149 rupees, shelf life is 3 years. So definitely I'll suggest you can use this as eyeshadow also. So you will say, why again and again you are repeating the thing? Because lot of people thinks कि such kind of fun colors we cannot use in our daily life. Of course I do understand this kind of colors you cannot apply to the college, and you cannot go to the college after applying this kind of colors. But yes, during Halloween type of, during some drama, some plays, some competition or such kind of things, that time you do require this kind of colors, right? So if at all you want to buy, I'll be giving you the buying link. This is available right now. When I am filming this video, it is available right now on Bella Vosta's own website. I got this from Bella Vosta's own website, as well as it is available on Purple also. So if at all you feel like buying from Purple, you can go ahead, you can buy it from there. And if at all you feel it from buying from Bella Vosta's own website, I'll give you all the buying link. It will be pinned in the comment section, so don't forget to check that. And if at all you have any other video request or any other video suggestions which you want me to make a video on, that also you can leave in the comment section, or else you can DM me on Instagram. I'll give you my Instagram handle also on the screen. You can DM me over there also. I'll try to fulfill your request as soon as possible. And I have swatched all 6 shades altogether, total 12 shades with and without makeup. So it takes a lot of efforts. Right now my lips are burning also, because these are you all say why lips are burning, these are normal sheer lipsticks. Then I would like to add over here, in the normal range what they have, in that few of the lipstick they do leave their stains. So that is a very good thing. So like after removing this and while applying this, it took a lot of effort from my end to remove the lipstick and to get the swatches for you. So I request you, in fact I urge you to give it a huge thumbs up. If possible, share this video with your friends and family. And if at all you have not yet subscribed, what you are waiting for, just go ahead, subscribe it, because it is absolutely free and it is not going to cost you anything, but it will encourage me to make more such kind of videos. And like each and every product, whatever you are watching on my channel, it's like I get all the products, right? So yeah, that is all for today's video. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.